Hi there, let's take a seat. We often think of digestion as a single act, something that begins when we eat and ends when we feel full. But in Ayurveda, digestion is a living cycle, a microcosm of the day itself. Every meal should be understood in the context of sunrise, noon, and sunset, because we are going through different metabolic stages. The first stage begins in the moment that food enters the mouth. The moisturization, it creates the appropriate kapha qualities so that saliva, mucus, can help the digestion to liquefy the process and start to churn in the stomach. If this stage is rushed, the process of burning will not go properly humidified. In the next phase, during the pitta, the middle is going to be hot and it's going to be in the duodenum. The enzymes and acids will perform their alchemy, breaking food into smaller particles. This movement will create the ability of our body to absorb fundamental amino acids and glucose and so. So if we eat under stress or too much pressurized, this is not going to work well. We are going to have some burning. Finally, when the vata comes, the process of absorption is going to be full and also dehydration. All the residues shall start to be put away, and we need to decrease the temperature of the bolus that is going through the digestive tract. So each meal then is a rehearsal of a life's larger rhythm. Kapha humidifies, Pitta burns, and Vata moves, dehydrates. Eat with awareness and honor this clock within. When all these cycles are aligned with the day and with the seasons, we become steady. Our metabolism is working well. And if you want to know more about Ayurveda, please watch the 3 previous videos and also the 3 next ones from this series. Thanks for watching. Hope that you had a nice moment seated, and let's stand up again. Namaste.